Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And this is a beginner's sewing machine tip. I'm going to go over how to properly thread your machine. Now always refer to your user's manual because not all machines are threaded and set up exactly the same way, but they are very similar. Okay, let's get started. On the baby lock sewing machine, your machine might be set up to where your upper thread goes in right here. Then make sure you use this little disc to hold it in place. Then take your thread, and it's numbered. Your threads, there are numbers all around this area telling you where to go. So this is 1. Coming around is 2, then down to 3, come around 5, up here 4, then come back down to 5. To make it easier to thread the needle, I recommend you lower your presser foot. To finish threading, there is a number 6 right here. Put your thread behind it, and then you're going to go straight down in front so that you can thread the needle from the front. I recommend using a pair of tweezers to insert the thread in. So pull your thread out to one side over here, and then insert the thread through the hole. Then with one hand, push the end of the thread to one side and pull it out with your tweezers. Keep holding the thread with your other hand so that it will not wrap around the needle. Then lift the presser foot and slide your thread under. To wind the bobbin on my baby lock, I have a place over here that holds the thread to wind onto the bobbin. Yours may look differently or be in a different location. Always refer to your user's manual. So slide it on and then put the cap over it to hold it in place. Then take the thread and pull it out towards the left. You're going to place it behind here. So place it behind this little bracket here so that it looks like that. Then over here you'll see this round disc. You're going to go around it all the way. It crosses over and come over this way. This is the bobbin for the baby lock. On some machines your bobbin may have a marking indicating that that particular side needs to be on top. The baby lock, it doesn't matter. Any side is fine. Then go ahead and snap it down in place. Take your thread, making sure it's behind, and come around and wrap it quite a few times. Then take this lever and push it, snapping it in place. On your computerized sewing machine, you will probably see something like this. If you have a mechanical machine, you look for a lever on the front of your machine or a button. This says to wind the bobbin. So I'm going to press start, and the bobbin will continue to wind. When it is done winding, this piece back here will pull away from the bobbin. Then all you have to do is cut the thread and now remove the bobbin and place it in the bobbin case. On your machine there will be a cover over where the bobbin case is. Look for a lever or refer to your user's manual on how to remove the top piece. Then lift it out. The bobbin needs to go in with the thread coming out on your left side, kind of representing the letter P. Take the bobbin, place it inside the case. Then you're going to wrap it around this side over here, and then continue following the lines or the little grooves. And then once you've got that in, pull the thread. Then take your cap and place it back over and snap in. Always refer to your user's manual on how to properly place the bobbin in and how to put the cap on. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you're interested in my weekly sewing tips of the week that come out on Wednesday, there will be a link below your YouTube screen in the description section. You just scroll down, click on Show More, and that section will expand open and you'll see the links. I'll also have some beginners sewing projects for you to view. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.